Starting from this release, our integration with Teamcenter Manufacturing Process Planner allows to create more than one Cartona 3D storage objects per each process. In this case, you can see that 4 storage objects are created for this particular process. In order to create Cartona 3D item for a particular process, you use File, New, Cartona 3D Object dialog, select the object type, select previously defined item type and your name of the new item. And the item type does not have to be defined explicitly using this menu as in the past, unless it is the first item. Previously, only one storage object was allowed per process. With the multiple storage objects, you can now create multiple configuration per process. Our Teamcenter integration with Active Workspace, known as RapidAuthor Client, has been improved. A simple dialog allowing you to change user role has been added. This removes the need to restart the application and perform secondary application under another user or role.